The Hindu temples are coming under the control of the government, whereas the Muslims and the Christians have all the freedom to run the mosques, the churches, schools in whatever manner they like. The majority Hindu establishments are coming under the control of the government, which is unheard of in any secular democracy. Right from the start of Nehru regime, practice of appeasing the minorities and pressurizing the majority Hindus is continuing. And after coming of Catholic-born Sonia Gandhi and scion Rahul Gandhi at the center, they are doing everything possible to divide the country once again by religion, so that the Christian world of Europe and America can take advantage of the situation. This will appease the Muslims and the Arab world as well. Hindus are used to insults and injuries, deprivations and injustices and deaths. They will accept this too as before. That was the idea behind all this thing. Flouting the constitution, special quotas and fundings are allocated to people of Islam by the government to the detriment of majority Hindus. So not only the Muslims cut out of India for their own land of Pakistan, but now in remaining part of India, as their population growth is almost 100%, they are exercising minority rule by proxy. Anti-national, power-hungry political parties are ready to destabilize India to keep hold on power. The present government is overwhelmed with tentacles of inbred corruption and faulted security of India by allowing to divulge defense secrets. The defense armaments and resources are allowed to be compromised. To hide all these scandals and corruption scams, from people, they want to continue in power. They just want to hide all these scandals from the people. The present ministry is therefore desperate to hold power, even stooping at the lowest level of any kind of consciousness. There should be one law for everyone. One person cannot have 4 wives, and easy divorce laws, minority or majority, doesn't matter. With the easy divorce laws, Muslim minority can just get rid of old wives. That is not a human approach to marriage and to society. That must be stopped. The marriage and divorce laws should be same for all citizens of India. When all persons are at par, the country can prosper. Any person must be able to live anywhere in the country. That should be the basic of the whole India. In fact, the Muslim population is basically the converts from Hindus, who during Muslim rules were forced to convert to Islam. They are of same Hindu origin and must live under same law. The matter is different for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes of India. They need some kind of protection. They were at the periphery of society during those Muslim and Christian rules of 800 years. But Muslims were the rulers' privileged class. Otherwise, the entire population is to have equal rights. That is how the country should be, where everyone is equal before law. And religion must not have any extra role in governance of India. Like nations in America, in Europe, no one is the favorite son. India first to be the watchword. Thank you.